Good morning to one and all. My name is C. Dikshita and I'm pursuing my BTech third year in SRIT College. Today I'm going to present a PPT about the topic gain measurements. Subject name antennas and wave propagation. Gain measurements on absolute method and comparison method. Introduction to gain measurements. Gain measurements are essential for characterizing the performance of amplifiers and devices. Two primary methods used are the absolute method and the comparison method. Understanding these methods helps ensure accurate and reliable gain assessment. Overview of absolute method. The absolute method involves measuring the gain directly using a calibrated source and detector. It provides a straightforward way to determine the gain of device without reference standards. This method is often used as an high or when high accuracy is required and calibration is available. Procedure for absolute method. A knowing input signal is applied to the device under test. The output signal is measured with a calibrated detector or an instrument. So when we apply an input signal, the output signal is measured with calibrated detector. Gain is calculated as the ratio of output to input signals considering system losses and calibration factors. Advantages of absolute method. Provides direct measurement of the device gain without needing a reference device. Suitable for detailed characterization when calibration standards are available. Offers high accuracy and consistency in controlled laboratory environments. Limitations of absolute method. Requires highly calibrated instruments and stands for precise results. Sensitive to measurements, setup, and environmental conditions. Often more complex and time consuming compared to comparison methods. Overview of comparison method. The comparison method involves measuring the device's gain related to the known standard of reference. It uses a comparison between the DUT and reference device with a known gain. This method is widely used in field measurements and quick assessments. Procedure for comparison method. A reference device with a known gain is connected to the measurement setup. So the gain is connected to the measurement setup with a reference device. The signals from the DUT and reference are compared under identical conditions. The signals are compared under the identical conditions. Gain of the DUT is derived by comparing the measurement signals and known reference gain. Advantages of comparison method. So comparison method advantages are it is faster and simpler to perform, especially in field conditions. Does not require highly calibrated instruments. It requires normal instruments as it relies on relative measurements. Useful for routine testing and when calibration standards are unavailable. Limitations of comparison method. Accuracy depends on the stability and accuracy of reference device. Environmental variations can affect the comparison results. Less suitable for detailed or high precision gain measurements. Conclusion and summary. Both absolute and comparison methods have unique advantages and limitations. The choice of method depends on measurement requirements, accuracy, and available resources. Proper understanding and application of these methods ensure reliable gain measurements in various settings. So this is about the gain measurements. Thank you. Thank you.